So I'm thinking that it's strange how there are some things I can remember and some things I can't remember. So I had my brain injury and it's meant I've lost memory almost entirely. But I can still remember music that I used to enjoy. And I find it strange how I can remember music, for example, but I can't remember what my children look like. Why does my memory work this way? It's very strange and very frustrating. I'm hoping to see pictures or videos of my children to see if that wakes any memories within me. But it is crazy that I can remember music and I can remember some friends' faces. So I don't remember my children, I don't understand what's going on. I don't know how old my children are. I'm guessing they'll be possibly 8 or so, maybe as much as 10. I don't believe they'll be younger than that. I don't know how that situation will resolve my relationship with the children. But I definitely need to see pictures of them or videos if I can. I need to start somewhere. So I'll try and arrange that if the staff can help. So I'm in supported living day to day, just surviving. I eat and sleep and I do YouTube. My life is very simple and it's hard to know where to start to rebuild it. But I think pictures and videos of my children will be a good start.